Investing has become more accessible than ever thanks to the proliferation of online trading platforms. Among the many options available, Revolut Trading and Trade Republic stand out for their unique features and advantages. This script will provide a detailed comparison of these two platforms, helping you decide which one best suits your investment needs. Revolut Trading is a part of Revolut, a financial technology company that has revolutionized the banking industry by significantly reducing or eliminating traditional banking fees. Revolut Trading offers a range of financial services, including the ability to buy US stocks, cryptocurrencies, and precious metals like gold and silver. One of the key advantages of Revolut Trading is its low commission structure, especially for US stocks. This makes it particularly attractive for beginner investors looking to dip their toes into the world of stock trading without incurring high costs. One of the major benefits of Revolut Trading is its low commission on US stock trading, which allows investors to trade with minimal fees. The platform does not charge a monthly inactivity fee, making it ideal for those who do not trade frequently. Additionally, Revolut offers a broad range of products and markets, which is one of the most extensive in the brokerage industry. Users also benefit from a demo account that allows them to practice trading without risking real money. The platform has built a strong reputation since its founding in 1978 and provides extensive research and educational tools, which are especially useful for novice investors. Furthermore, Revolut offers interest on uninvested cash balances, adding an extra layer of benefit for its users. However, Revolut Trading does have some drawbacks. The account opening process can be complicated and lengthy, although it is fully online. Beginners might find the platform's learning curve a bit steep. The website can be difficult to navigate, which can be frustrating for users. Additionally, the interactive advisors, the robo-advisor feature, is only available for US customers, limiting its accessibility to a broader audience. Trade Republic is a discount broker based in Berlin, Germany. It focuses on four main types of financial assets: stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, and derivatives. Trade Republic's motto, "From the people for the people," emphasizes its commitment to providing a no-order fee platform. However, an external fee of €1 is applied to every single trade, except for saving plans. This means that in practice, you will be charged at least €2, €1 for buying and another euro for selling. Trade Republic offers several advantages, including automatic saving plans, which can help investors build their portfolios steadily over time. The platform pays interest on idle cash balances, allowing users to earn on their uninvested money. Investors can start with as little as €1, making it accessible to virtually anyone. There is no minimum deposit requirement, and direct debit is available in the share saving plans. Trade Republic is supervised and regulated by BaFin, a top-tier regulator, ensuring a high level of security for its users. On the downside, Trade Republic charges a flat external fee of €1 on every single trade, except for saving plans, which can add up for active traders. The platform does not offer a demo account, limiting opportunities for new users to practice before investing real money. Only one base currency euro is supported, which might be inconvenient for non-euro users. Additionally, Trade Republic does not provide access to US stock exchanges, and currency conversion fees apply for transactions involving different currencies. When comparing Revolut Trading and Trade Republic, several factors stand out. Revolut Trading offers one free trade per month, after which the fees vary according to the user's country of residence. In contrast, Trade Republic charges a flat external fee of €1 for each trade, irrespective of the number of trades made. For currency conversion, Revolut Trading offers a 0% fee up to €1,000 or pounds per month, after which a 0.4% fee is charged. Trade Republic, on the other hand, does not charge for currency conversion. Both platforms have different regulatory frameworks. Revolut Trading is regulated by the SEC, FCA as an appointed representative, and the Bank of Lithuania, ensuring robust oversight. Trade Republic is regulated by BaFin, a well-respected financial regulatory authority in Germany. Choosing between Revolut Trading and Trade Republic ultimately depends on your investment profile, personal preferences, and objectives. Revolut Trading is best suited for beginner investors looking for quick exposure to US stocks with low commissions and no inactivity fees. It offers a broad range of products and markets, along with extensive educational tools, making it a comprehensive platform for new investors. On the other hand, Trade Republic is ideal for investors interested in automatic saving plans and those who want to earn interest on their idle cash balances. Its low entry barrier, with investments starting from as little as €1, makes it accessible to a wide audience. However, the flat external fee on every trade and the lack of access to US stock exchanges might be a drawback for some investors. In conclusion, both Revolut Trading and Trade Republic offer unique advantages and have their own set of limitations. By understanding these differences and considering your own investment needs, you can make a more informed decision about which platform to use. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks!